My first attempt at chicken lasagna. I don't want it too cheesy because I'm all cheesed out. So yeah, the gaps are on purpose, guys. Don't come to me. Made it. First chicken lasagna ever. Let me dish this up. Oh, some salad. Looks gorgeous, and I'm gonna have it with my chicken lasagna. First time making it. So let me just cut it. I've been meaning to make chicken lasagna for ages because my boyfriend's mum makes it for us all the time and it tastes so good. So let's go. Very juicy. Jeez. Wow. Very juicy. Wow. Looks awesome. I think my sauce wasn't thick enough, but that's okay. I know it's still gonna taste bomb because I can season the hell out of food. This is my plate. Now let's see how this tastes. Get a bit of salad on there. Banging. Just like I thought. So good. I purposely used less cheese in this because I'm all cheesed out, man. Just came from holiday. Cheesed out. Burgers, pizza. Chicken Alfredo. This? It's a vibe.